How to fix unknown error trying to lock file in Teams, Excel, OneDrive, PowerPoint. 1. Basic tips. Scan your PC for potential viruses and malware. Reboot your PC. Check and exit some background processes and apps. Exit and rerun the affected. App. Update your Office. 2. Clear Microsoft Office cache at %localapp.% /Microsoft /Office / int, backup then clear. All files that have a prefix of FSF or FSD. 3. Revert to the previous app version, if you can. 3.1 Disable Office Update. 3.2 Run 2 commands as admin. cd %program files %\common files \Microsoft shared \click to run Office X2 client.exe /update user update header version equals previous version ID 4. Tweak protected view settings. To do this, disable enable protected view for files located in potentially unsafe locations. 5. Reset Office Upload Center. To do this, launch the delete. Cached Files option under Cache Settings in Microsoft Office Upload Center.